In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Chatgpt into Vscode. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, this guide will help you harness the power of AI within your development environment with ease. We'll walk through each step carefully to make sure you're ready to use Chatgpt effectively. First, let's ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. If you haven't done so yet, you'll need to head over to the official website, which you can find at code.visualstudio.com/download. Here, you'll find options tailored for your operating system, be it Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Simply click the download button that corresponds to your system, and once the download completes, follow the installation instructions provided. With Visual Studio Code now installed and ready to use, let's open it up and move on to the next step, which involves adding the Chatgpt functionality. Begin by navigating to the extensions view within Visual Studio Code. You can do this quickly by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. This will bring up the extensions pane on the side of your screen, where you can search and browse for a huge variety of extensions to enhance your coding experience. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT or CodeGPT, depending on your preference. You'll see a list of relevant extensions popping up. Browse through these options and choose the one that fits your needs best. Click to install the extension. Once installed, the extension should be activated automatically, but it's always a good idea to check the details and documentation listed on the extension page to understand its features and capabilities fully. Now, let's set things up so you can start using the Chatgpt features. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. This command palette is a powerful tool in Visual Studio Code, allowing you to execute commands efficiently. With the command palette open, search for Chatgpt sign in. This command will prompt you to enter your OpenAI API key. It's important to have your API key ready, as this key allows you to access the Chatgpt services directly within Vscode. Carefully enter your key and proceed. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, using Chatgpt directly in your code editor. With everything set up, you can now type prompts into the extension panel or use designated commands to interact with Chatgpt. Whether you're seeking code assistance, debugging help, or just some creative coding suggestions, Chatgpt is now at your fingertips within Vscode. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Chatgpt into Visual Studio Code. With this setup, you can leverage the capabilities of AI to enhance your coding workflow, making it more efficient and hopefully a bit more enjoyable too. Happy coding!